Imagine soaring high above the earth, witnessing things that were never meant to be seen. From mysterious creatures lurking in the woods to unexplained lights in the sky, drones have caught some of the most jaw-dropping footage ever recorded. Let's take a look at some of them. Let's start with the dense woods of Salt Fork Park in Ohio. What begins as an ordinary flight takes a strange turn around the 5-minute mark. On the left side of the screen, something large appears to be moving through the thickets. Many believe this to be Bigfoot, caught on camera in broad daylight. The footage is grainy, and it's hard to say for sure, but the shape definitely stands out. Next, we move to Weld County, Colorado, where a freak thunderstorm set a large hayfield ablaze. Farmer Eric Howard didn't hesitate to jump into action. With flames rapidly spreading, he hopped into his tractor and carved a fire line through the field. This bold move helped contain the 30-acre wildfire and saved additional acres from burning. The heat was so intense that it melted the paint off his tractor, but Eric's quick thinking may have prevented a disaster. In a more eerie incident, a Predator combat drone was on a routine patrol when something incredibly fast and bright zoomed past it. The drone quickly turned to scan the area, but whatever it was had vanished. Some believe this to be a UFO encounter, while others think it could be a high-tech military experiment. The footage leaves us with more questions than answers. Could this be our first encounter with extraterrestrials, or just a clever CGI trick? Unfortunately, we may never know the truth. YouTuber Run Gun Griff, known for exploring exotic locations, once flew his drone over a mysterious field covered in strange, symmetrical markings. The designs were too precise to be man-made, leading some to believe they were created by extraterrestrial beings. The symbols were flawless, with no noticeable differences, leaving viewers puzzled. In another unsettling video, a YouTuber named Furious Otter was piloting his drone through the woods when he spotted something unusual. An all-white figure appeared to be lurking among the trees. As the drone got closer, the figure seemed to wave or brush something from its hair before disappearing into the forest. Was this a witch, a lost hermit, or just someone in costume? The footage is creepy, but the lack of close-up shots leaves us wondering what really happened. In Westminster, Colorado, a drone captured the aftermath of a horrific event. A man had deliberately disconnected his gas line, causing his house to explode, leaving a giant smoldering crater behind. The explosion was so powerful that it damaged nearby homes, and the neighborhood will never be the same. The motive remains unclear, but the devastation is undeniable. National Geographic explorers have used drones to map out the inside of an active volcano, capturing footage that no human could survive. These drones flew dangerously close to the lava, giving us a glimpse into one of the most hostile environments on Earth. Some drones were lost to the intense heat, but the data collected was invaluable. Could you imagine being this close to a volcano? It's a job for the brave, and the footage is nothing short of breathtaking. Australian YouTuber Simon Lawrence had a close call when his drone captured a great white shark lurking beneath his boat. As the shark showed interest in their crab pot, Simon and his friends wisely decided to cut it loose. They watched as the shark swam away, relieved to have avoided a potentially deadly encounter. Great whites have been known to attack boats, and Simon's quick decision may have saved their lives. In 2016, a wave of clown sightings swept the nation, and one drone pilot captured footage of a clown in a cornfield. The clown, dressed in bright orange, sprinted away as the drone approached, disappearing into the forest. The footage is unnerving, and the mystery remains unsolved. Finally, a YouTuber named Chris Lamb captured something truly strange at Fort McClellan, Alabama. He was alone, or so he thought, until a dark figure appeared by a street lamp. The figure seemed to materialize out of nowhere, then disappeared just as quickly. Was this a ghost, an alien, or something else entirely? The video offers no clear answers, leaving viewers to speculate. Drones have given us a new perspective on the world, capturing moments that are both incredible and terrifying. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We will see you in our next video.